Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can change the camera mode between automatic and pro on this DJI Flip FLY MORE. So it is a very simple and quick thing to do. You will first need to open the camera view on your remote controller. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen or of the display and specifically look for this little camera icon. It won't change depending on the shooting mode you have selected, so all of you guys should have the very same icon. And now by tapping on it, you can enable Pro Mode. If the PRO letters are inside the camera frame, that means that you are in the manual camera mode, so you can, let's see, adjust the ISO, the shutter speed, the exposure values manually. You can also here change the format, aspect ratio, resolution, storage, but that's you can also change in the regular shooting mode, I guess, or automatic one. If you would like to get your camera back to the automatic mode, so it will automatically change and adjust all the most important and crucial camera parameters, simply tap at the very same icon. And if you see the auto or AUTO letters inside the camera frame, that means that you have entered the, well, automatic mode successfully. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.